If you are trying to control your blood sugar levels, and also wish to drop some extra pounds, then avocados can be the right choice for you. This lush buttery delicious green fruit contains fewer calories, healthy fat, dietary fiber, calcium, and iron. Also, they are rich in vitamins A, E, K, and C. Losing weight requires eating less calories than you burn off. A 50 grams of avocado contains only 80 calories, so you can easily add them into your daily diet. Some research also proved that avocados has a great effect on maintaining blood sugar levels, and at normal glucose and insulin levels for people with type 2 diabetes. Avocados can be the part of your calorie-reduced sugar-free diet. Combined with eggs, they make a great nutrient-boosting breakfast item, provide high-quality protein, helps to keep you feeling full faster and longer, and energize you for all your activities throughout the day. 3-Day Avocado Diet. Breakfast Diet. Before 1 hour of breakfast, drink 2 cups water with 2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. In the breakfast, take 2 scrambled eggs, 1 avocado, half an apple, and 5 almonds. In the mid-morning, about 10:30 a.m., drink 1 cup of green tea. Lunch Diet. For lunch, take a bowl of chickpea, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olive, and avocado salad, and 1 cup of coconut water. For evening snack, about 4 p.m., take 1 cup of buttermilk. Dinner Diet. In the dinner, take 1 avocado with a medium piece of salmon, and a medium bowl of boiled lentils. And before 1 hour of sleep, take 1 cup of warm low-fat milk with 2 bananas. Follow this diet continuously for 3 days. Besides losing weight and control your blood sugar levels, this diet will also help you to lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and flush out toxins from your body. So, if you're an avocado lover, your mission just got easier. Start following this diet from today. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips. Thanks for watching.